Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to follow someone on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, to follow someone on Sweatcoin, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open it, you will end up in this interface, but all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon. So once you tap on the person's profile icon, you need to tap on the friends section, and from there you need to scroll down below and find your search bar. So in this search bar, you need to simply type in the name of the person you're searching for, and once you have written it, you need to tap on the follow option. So after you do so, this will allow you to let you and the other person get followed on Sweatcoin. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.